In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text over images in card.co. If you've ever wanted a clean hero section or a simple banner with words right on top of a photo, this walkthrough will show you a quick, reliable way to do it while keeping everything readable and polished. Start by opening your site in the card editor. We'll place everything inside a container so the image and text stay grouped and respond nicely as a single unit. Click the plus icon and choose Container. With the container selected, set the background to image and upload the picture you want to use. This is a great time to choose a high-quality image that matches your brand's tone. In the same panel, you can crop the picture to frame your subject properly and eliminate distractions. Then set the size to cover. Cover ensures the image fills the container area edge to edge, maintaining visual impact even as the page adjusts to different screens. Next, add the text directly inside the container. Click the plus icon again and pick Text. Type in your headline, caption, or short description. Now style it so it's easy to read against the background. Adjust the font to something clear and on brand. Then tweak the size to make key messages stand out. For color, aim for strong contrast, light text on dark areas or dark text on lighter regions. You can also fine-tune alignment to center, left or right, depending on your layout and the focal point of your image. If your text feels cramped, increase line spacing slightly to improve legibility without making the block too tall. With the text styled, position it visually. Click and drag it to the spot that best complements the photo, often near the subject's empty space or along a clean area. Avoid placing words over busy textures or faces, and keep margins comfortable to prevent the text from hugging the edges. Think in terms of balance. Aligning your text along imaginary thirds can help the composition feel intentional. If the background still competes with your words, consider a bolder font weight or a color change for stronger contrast. When everything looks right, it's time to make it live. Give your layout one last glance to ensure the text remains readable and the image fills the container as intended. Then click Publish to push your changes to the web. That's it. Your image now has clean, layered text in card, ready to grab attention the moment visitors land on your page.